Big Box of Shapes by Wiley Blevins, illustrated by Elliot Kraloff. Triangles, circles, squares. In the imaginations of Lulu and Max, these shapes found in a box take on exciting new meanings. Lulu and Max found a box. It was filled with many shapes. Lulu pulled out a square. Then she took out a triangle. "I'll put it on top," she said. What did Lulu make? A house. "I will live in this house with my grandma and grandpa," said Lulu. Max took a big circle from the box. Then he added 3 smaller circles. "Now it needs a smile," said Max. What did Max make? A happy face. "That makes me smile too," said Lulu. "Look," yelled Lulu, "a rectangle." She added 2 small circles and a square to it. What did Lulu make now? A truck. Vroom, vroom. Lulu shared her shapes with Max. "Thank you," said Max. "I will use them to make a hat for my happy face." Lulu and Max dug deeper into the box. They found more shapes. Lulu made a kite with a diamond and a magic wand with a star. Max made a turtle with an oval and sunglasses with 2 hearts. "There are so many shapes in here," said Lulu and Max. What else can we make?" Lulu and Max stacked the shapes up, up, up. And what did they make? A big mess. What shapes do you see? What can you make? Now that we've learned some of the cool things you can do with shapes, let's see what shapes we can find at school. Shape Hunters, Shapes at School by Jenny Fretland Van Verst. Shapes at School points out the shapes readers encounter in the classroom, in the lunchroom, and on the playground. School shapes. A school is full of shapes. How many can you find? Mrs. Paz writes on the chalkboard. It is a rectangle. So are our easels and the paper. Let's paint. A circle hangs on the wall. The clock. What time is it? Time for lunch. Sam takes a tray. It has rectangles and circles. They show where the food goes. Kia brings her lunch. What will she eat? A sandwich cut into triangles. Yum. Let's play outside. This game is made of squares. This hoop is a circle. Jed shoots. Swish. Back to class. Mr. Odds grades our tests. What shape is this? What does it mean? Hmm, looks like a star that says well done. Some more shapes at school. There are hearts that she has in this little garland. There are squares in her hopscotch court on the playground. There are rectangles right there on her laptop. And there are stars on these lockers. A picture glossary. A chalkboard is a rectangular board teachers write on to share information with the entire class. We have whiteboards now. Grade. To grade is to review work and give it a score. An easel is a frame to hold up an artist's painting. A tray is a large flat plate, often with handles for carrying items. That's how you carry your school lunch.